You've got a great little option for a starter for your dinner party or just a nice little brunch or snack item. We've got the smoked haddock and spring onion fish cake, and we're going to serve that with some wilted spinach, poached egg, hollandaise sauce. We'll start off by poaching the egg. So we get a pan of water to a rolling boil, swirl it with your whisk to create a vortex in the middle, and we drop your egg into the middle. Just hold it there so the white wraps around the yolk. Just turn that down slightly and just let that poach away. Leave that to rest in that water. Pan on for the spinach. Drop of oil. The spinach goes down to nothing. Plenty of spinach in there. Bit of salt. Bit of pepper. Starting to cook down. Obviously we've got to add a little bit of butter. Just take that off the heat. The residual heat of the pan will just carry on cooking that spinach through. And now we'll just plate it all up together. Very easy. One or two fish cakes, we'll go two. And that poached egg, lovely and soft, white set. Sit on the top. Finish, a bit of salt, a little bit of pepper. And there you have. Delicious. See you next time, Weddell TV.